Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. I'm here with experts Indu and Henry. We're going to talk about the future of HydroTreat, future of waste treatment in general. We talk about future challenges. We talk about where this is going to go down the line. What are you seeing in terms of challenges or sort of concerns?
I mean, all over the place, the regulation is getting stricter, both in marine and on land, and we see that our end product is moving ahead of even legislation at the moment.
Yeah.
And,
You mean end product in terms of the biochar?
Biochar,
Yeah.
HTC
Right.
biochar.
Yeah.
So
Moving for the technology is far going very faster, and the regulation comes far behind.
Right.
So that's one key thing we should face some sort of challenge from there. And apart from that, we are maximizing recycling of our products. Then our aim is to value addition to the product, the application of the biochar to the some sort of towards the soil or some other application as a fertilizer. This is also challenging, to get it done.
And we are helping our clients, of course, in finding ways of utilizing the end product, the HTC biochar, in soil amendment or
this
as
is only
fertilizer. And with the end product also, I think there are ways forward of segregating the nutrients even further out of the biochar and so on. So we have our work to do still.
To fulfill all our dreams or the missions,
It's pretty interesting to see that we are together with our customers now actually moving ahead of regulation. I think that speaks volumes about what the sort of market environment currently is like. If you think about the sort of the war for talent is a big topic for everybody here, and we're very grateful to have you guys and the fact that we have experts who have developed this technology. How do you see this moving forward? What are going to be key sort of distinguishing factors for companies to attract the right type of talent in this future environment?
Here I should put a case of our customer. In 2018, the TUI Cruises wanted some process, they reach out all the technology providers in the waste industry so that they can get more sustainable and circular process or product to treat their waste. Then they come up with Evac HydroTreat. This is the reason why the innovation and working together with the customers and their needs are very critical for us.
So closer collaboration, closer partnerships across, and really then doubling down on our expertise
because
in this particular area.
Yeah, and also you can see so many industries cruise line customers have Evac products on there, and it's a long-term collaboration. That's also and we will improve our technology together with our customers too.
Yeah, innovation has always been in the marine industry, so it's a special environment, tight spaces. You need where we started with the vacuum systems and so on. We need to find ways to route the pipings and so on. But it's always been there in the marine industry.
Yeah, so. It's definitely not an environment free of challenges.
No, exactly.
That's for sure.
It's push you more towards the innovation too.
Keeps us on our toes.
Yeah.
I think you mentioned an interesting point about how Evac equipment in one way, shape, or form is on the vast majority of vessels out there. Which I think is emphasizes the importance of our close and high quality customer relationships, and I think also that that the way that ships are operated in the future, adding technologies like the HydroTreat, how do you see that develop?
I mean, our target is of course nothing to waste, so we try to maximize the recycling on board and so on. But in my opinion, we need to also go a little bit beyond that. So once we segregate the recyclables, cardboards, plastics, metals, and now the HTC char, we need to look beyond the port to make sure that we have good end use for the biochar, so that the cardboard ends up in a recycling facility where it can be reused. Same goes with the plastic and metals
the mapping of our products, where it goes and how it's used, is it and support the customer in that aspect too,
Excellent
and
point.
get the feedbacks, because customers are more close towards the port, and so we will get the feedbacks from the ports, where is it used, and we can improve, and support them to enhance their own products value. That's
think
true.
it's really underlines the importance of where we are currently investing
Yeah.
a lot of time, energy, and resources, which is building our sort of our support network in terms of onboard service engineers, technicians, etc., to really make sure that customers are have the support they need to make the most out of this equipment.
Yeah.
I think we have a great example from Ponant where
Yeah.
we've signed our first fleet-wide long-term service agreement.
Yeah. Here I would like to mention that Evac is working very closely with the customer, for example, the Ponant. Here I would like to point out one comment from the Ponant new building and R&D director, because he was mentioning that Evac is a great partner and very innovative company. They listen to our intentions and understand how Ponant is always trying to go bit further to solve the onboard waste problems and even preventing the discharge of waste to the sea. We cooperate very closely and exchange the ideas of the technology so that we can improve the technology together. That's it.
Sounds like a perfect fit with our
Yeah.
mission of nothing to waste, right?
Yes, of course.
Great
like,
partner.
of course, it's great collaboration,
Yeah.
makes things better.
So it seems clear that as technology evolves, customers are freeing up time to focus on their sort of core competence, which is cruise and basically providing awesome vacations. So
Yeah.
it sounds like our investment in
Yeah.
supporting them with service agreements and
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I can see that on board
sense.
also when I
Yeah.
have been visiting there, that they really like rely on us, that
Yeah.
Yeah.
we can really support them
Yeah.
whenever needed and
Yeah.
wherever needed, basically.
Yeah,
And
that's true, because it's like during the ship visits, like, they wanted to get updated with the status and get the feedback from us
Yeah,
and to
yeah.
work together with
Yeah.
us, like, so it's also enhanced, like we can figure out what all risk, what all
Yeah.
challenges, what all things
point.
need to
Yeah.
be improved. Of course, we can also fine tune our system accordingly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
like
true.
the feedback
that gives,
from them.
yeah, exactly. That gives us valuable feedback that
Yeah.
we can work back here then
Yeah.
at the office to improve our products for the future as well.
That's true.
Yeah.
That sort of close relationship has a win-win effect in terms of
Yeah.
like really de-risking
Yeah.
for the customer, and it helps us to
To
improve
improve
our expertise further. So
Yeah.
Exactly.
that sounds like a win-win.
Yeah.
I would say, and super exciting, I think. And if you are ready to sort of future-proof your investment, fill in the form below and get a quote from us already today. Thanks.